So I got accepted into Multimedia Makeup Academy. Yay, go Taylor. So my experience so far has been great. I actually had to do a lot to get in. I actually had to write an essay. Other people, like, at first I was like, oh my god, I can go to school online for so much cheaper. The thing about this school, like, it offers so much more, like business class, like, I mean, connection. I'm so excited to start makeup school, just to perfect my craft, because I know I got skill. I haven't bought makeup in over a year, so I'm doing what I gotta do. I've been going through a lot. Life hit me hard last year. This year too, I ain't gonna lie. You know, from having a baby to relationship to just my spirituality, everything, child. My health, just everything. This last year have really shown me who's there for me, who support me, and who really my friend, period. You know what I'm saying? Like, everybody, in order for me to elevate in my life, I ask God to remove people, you know, out of my life that's toxic in any way. Not necessarily, you know, just because I don't want them to be my friend or I don't want them to be my family. Family is family, you know. But family can treat you like you a nigga on the street, period. Right now, I'm just focusing on me and what I need to do to create a better life for my children and myself. But I don't want to go through life with no regrets no more. I don't want to go through life like I've always been saying, oh, I could be this much further in life than what I am right now. And I think everybody like that. Everybody, excuse me, everybody have goals. Everybody got, you know, things that they want to do in life, want to accomplish. You only get one life. Live that shit. Live your life. Live in your truth. Live in your truth. If your truth is to own your own business, live in it. Do what you gotta do. If your truth is to be a billionaire, do what you gotta do. If your truth is to be a lead, do what you gotta do. If your truth is to work from home, live in your truth, because can't nobody live your life but you. You can't go around making excuses for yourself as to, oh, if I wasn't with that person, or if I didn't let that person do this and do that, then that wouldn't happen to me. No, it's about to be 2020. These years going by so fast. Like, y'all gotta start living in y'all truth for real. Life's too short. It's okay to have stability, get my bills paid and all this other stuff, but I want to enjoy life at the same time too. Like, for real, just because you got kids and a family, that don't mean you just give up on your goals and what you want to do in life. Because the moment you start doing that, you're going to be miserable. And that's where I was at a point in my life. Everybody mattered. I did things for people out of the kindness of my heart, but it got to a point where I feel like nobody was doing nothing for me. You know, not that when you do stuff for people, I don't expect nothing in return, but at the same time, it's like their support. When you tell, that's why when I got stuff I want to do, I don't tell people. I don't tell that many people, because everybody have an opinion about stuff. But when you tell somebody what you want to do, what you got goals to do, when I started getting into makeup, like real deep into makeup, going live on Facebook and stuff like that, I started seeing a lot of people changing. When I decided to do makeup on other people, I started seeing a lot of changing people. People didn't want to, like, bro, I got some stories, but I'm gonna save that for another video. But right now, this video is just about living in your truth. The decide what you want. I don't care how old you are, 50, 60, however old you are. Live in your truth. I've always been an overachiever. I've never settled. And that's why it was so hard for me, because I felt myself settling. So I had to distance myself from a lot of stuff, because I felt myself settling for whatever and accepting what people, the way people was treating me. And now I'm just like, okay, whatever. I don't care no more. That's where I'm at in my life. I don't care. I don't care about what other people think about me. I don't care. I don't care about having friends. I'm learning to live in my truth and accept a lot of things, to not accept a lot of things, and accept things that will help me grow as a person, will help me. I'm just tired, you know. It's just, I be wanting somebody to talk to, needing somebody to talk to that understand where I'm coming from. Like, if y'all understand, like, comment. I'm here for y'all. You hear me? I'm gonna be real with y'all. Like, a lot of people expect for things to just happen right away, and you gotta put effort and stuff. And that's what I'm doing right now. This is what I'm doing right now. I have to be more consistent. I have to be more dedicated, more motivated, just more of everything. Put my all into my life, my truth, living in my truth. That's what I'm doing right now. That's my number one goal, living in my truth. And living in my truth is making all my dreams, all my goals come true. That's it. Like, a lot of people don't realize, like, sometimes you gotta talk to yourself, you gotta motivate yourself. And I think that's what separates me from everybody. I don't need a lot of people to motivate me to do something, because I'm a self-motivator. I'm self-motivating myself. You get what I'm saying? Like, it's so easy to let other people influence you and let other people, like, social media is a trip. Social media has caused a lot of hurt to a lot of people, has discouraged a lot of people, and it's just crazy. And I'm just here to tell y'all, live in y'all truth. Don't let nobody tell you that you can't do nothing. You can always learn. If you don't know something, research. If you don't know how to do something, research. If you know you interested in something, of course, you have to start somewhere. You have to start somewhere. In order to accomplish things, it has to start somewhere. Period. You gotta start somewhere, because you only get one life. You only get one life. That's it. You only get